Hello friends, this is my channel Montu Artkala friends, and this is new CD mirrors, and I will show friends how to create friends. And friends, this is easy, interesting. More of any interesting videos, please my channel subscribe friends, Montu Artkals. And this is super I am how to create, and this is CD easy methods. And first you get 5 DVDs, you waste material DVDs, and 5 mirrors. And this is small big mirror, this is 2 small mirrors friends. And this is friends, one is your tape and one your blade. And next you create, and this is some silver is stickering friends. And friends, and I will show easy creating Plaster friends. First you create friends 5 CDs, and this is the CDs 1 2 3 4 5. And friends, first you create a CD, and this is this type in 4 square side. And this is tape friends, and you go back side is joint, and this side is back side joint, and this side is back side joint, and this side is back side joint friends. And one is center is DVD, sorry CD, this is center friends. And this is series friends, and this type is a center is joint friends tape. And I will show friends like back side, this is tape joint. And this type is joint friends. First clicks is for attaching spare sides, and this is center tip. See this friends. And this is tape is this side joint, this side, this is all is complete. And next you click to mirror. And this is small mirror friends. This mirror is this side one, and this is attach you 4 mirrors, small mirrors. And this is 2, and this is 3, and this is 4 friends. And this is big mirror, and this is big mirror, and I will display center. And this is a small mirror is 15, minimum 8 centimeter is mirror. And I will show this is joint. And next I will cutting this is, and this is friend minimum 1 centimeter you cut this side is cutting. And this is your this attraction is border is joint friends, all border joint friends you create. And this is all. And next I will show complete this border joints, and this border is joint, and this border is joint friends. And see this friend, this is 1 centimeter, and you have to click to cutting easy. And this is complete, this 1 centimeter. And this is cut friends. And back side is sticker friends, and this is your sticker is open. See this friends, back side is sticker. And this is tape is jointing. And this is all is joined. And this is complete friend, this is thread is back side and side. back side, and this is complete to mirror, friends. Ayo, become complete. Hmm? And this is, see friends, this is tape, and center is, and four sides is tape shipping, and this is center, friends. And last is thread, friends. This is thread, and this is joined to tape plaster, and this is thread, friends. And this is complete, friends. This is super interesting, and see this, friends. This all these tapes, and this is back side to go, and this is super interesting.